Welcome to our home decoration series. Today, we're going to transform this ordinary kitchen into a stunning modern blue kitchen. We'll use a variety of components, from blue kitchen cabinets to kitchen appliances, to create a fresh and inviting space. Let's get started. Our first step is to set the foundation. We'll begin with the blue kitchen cabinets and the kitchen island. The blue color adds a touch of elegance to the space, and the island provides additional workspace and storage. Now, let's install the countertops. We've chosen sleek quartz countertops in a light gray tone to complement the blue cabinets. Next, we'll add a stylish backsplash with patterned tiles, adding texture and interest to the walls. Moving on to the sink and faucet installation. A modern stainless steel sink and a brushed nickel faucet bring functionality and a touch of sophistication to the kitchen. Lighting is crucial in any kitchen. We'll install contemporary pendant lights above the kitchen island and recessed lighting throughout the ceiling to create a warm and inviting ambience. Let's add the kitchen appliances now. Stainless steel appliances, such as a refrigerator, oven, microwave, and dishwasher, complete the modern look. We'll also install a sleek range hood to keep the kitchen fresh and free of cooking odors. Flooring plays a vital role in tying the whole look together. We've chosen a dark hardwood floor that contrasts beautifully with the blue cabinets and light countertops, creating a visually appealing balance. Now, let's move on to the dining area. We'll place a modern kitchen table in the center, surrounded by comfortable chairs with blue upholstery for a cohesive look. The organization is key in any kitchen. We'll set up a well-organized pantry with blue shelving and storage containers. Open kitchen shelves will display decorative items and essential cookware. Small details can make a significant difference. We'll replace the cabinet hardware with sleek, brushed nickel handles and pulls. To add a pop of color, we'll incorporate blue kitchen utensils, such as spatulas, ladles, and cutting boards. Keeping the pantry organized is essential. We'll use blue glass and plastic storage containers for a consistent theme. Additionally, light blue wall paint complements the blue cabinets and adds a fresh feel to the kitchen. To complete the look, we'll install stylish window treatments with blue accents, allowing natural light to brighten up the space. Lastly, a patterned kitchen rug near the sink or kitchen island adds the finishing touch to our modern blue kitchen. And there you have it. Our modern blue kitchen is now complete, showcasing a beautiful blend of style and functionality. We hope you enjoyed this transformation and gained inspiration for your own kitchen makeover. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy decorating.